forest floor. Two tiny turtles swim so slow, gliding through the water as they go. Three hopping kangaroos bouncing around, jumping so high, barely touching the ground. Four fluttering butterflies in the sky, spreading their wings as they fly by. Five woodland penguins in a row, sliding on ice where the cold winds blow. Six sneaky foxes dash through in the night, hiding in shadows out of sight. Seven colorful parrots up in the trees, chattering loudly in the breeze. Eight playful puppies running in the park, chasing their tails and making their mark. Nine silly monkeys swinging from the vines, chattering loudly, making funny signs. 10 tiny crabs scuttle on the sand, waving their claws across the land.